This animation video channel is making a huge amount of money from YouTube. You can also generate a substantial income by uploading this kind of animated videos. See the earnings of this AI generated video channel. Even some YouTube creators are earning millions of dollars by making videos with very simple 2D animation. Take a look at what we'll create in this video.
Maria had always lived on the remote island of Serenity Cove. Surrounded by crystal clear waters and lush greenery, it was a paradise unto itself.
Step 1. Go to ChatGPT and give the prompt for your story. I'm using the prompt. Write a short story about a woman who lives on an island in 200 words. Now I'll give another prompt. Write prompts to generate images for the story. I'll create a video using both images and voiceover. I'll recommend selecting images for each scene, which will enhance our visual storytelling. Now we will generate audio from this script. Go to narakit.com. Scroll down to convert text to speech. Select Try Now. Select the language of your story and the character from the list.
London has a diverse range of people and cultures, and more than 300 languages are spoken in the region.
Now go to ChatGPT and copy the script and paste here. Press Create Audio.
Maria had always lived on the remote island of Serenity Cove. Surrounded by crystal clear waters and lush greenery, it was a paradise unto itself. Every morning, she'd wake up to the
Download your audio. Next, we will generate images for each scene in video. To generate images, I will use Leonardo. Go to leonardo.ai, sign up for a free account. Scroll down to AI image generation. Go back to ChatGPT, copy your first prompt, paste your prompt and hit generate. Okay, generate images for all the scenes. Now we will add animation effect to our images. We will use leapix.ai to animate images. Upload your image to Leapix, create an animation effect, and download the image. You can also use stock photos and videos for your scenes. And finally, we will make video with animation and audio. You can use any editor of your choice. I'm using Power Director. It's time to share your video on your YouTube channel and start earning money. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.